Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a small project share. I was playing with some new dies and I love the way that my gingerbread came out. So the first dies that I used is the new KS Craft gingerbread nesting dies. I used kind of like the mama size of them. And then I also used from previous years released the KS Craft face pieces. I used this acetate was too long, so I cut off the sizing, but I used this face right here with like some little eyelashes and the open mouth. So cute. And then I also, this guy's from AliExpress. So this one is like a baking set with mittens for gnomes and stuff, but you can cut the little hand pieces off, and that's like what I do. But I just used the cookie sheet, which is right here up at the top, and there was the layering piece has hands on it, but I didn't do the hands. So I just used that little top piece, and then I used the spoon with the stitching. Again, I didn't layer it up with the hand, so I didn't have to cut anything off. So use that guy. And then this next one, I was going to do the gingerbread house, and then I decided to just do this cute little smiley face, like frothy mug. Cut it out in all red, and then just layered the top froth. I didn't even see this piece right here till just now. So anyway, I cut it out and was paper piecing it together when I could have done an easier step right here. How absolutely adorable these little gingies came out. How cute is she? The face, I got to use my new yard sale stuff. So I used the Stampin' Up! Like chalk pastels for the cheeks. And then the mouth, the inside I did like a darker pink. But I went over it with my Wink of Stella brush in like the clear. And it adds just enough sparkle. So I added it to her mouth, the little bow piece, the little candy cane piece. It just has a little bit of sparkle. Hopefully the camera's picking it up for you guys. I love the Wink of Stella pen. And then these guys are from AliExpress. They are little gingerbread nail art. I was going to mix it up and do some of the reindeer, but they don't really look like cookies, so I just stuck to the gingerbread cookie guys. And then there's cute little holly berries. So cute. These are like nail art. So there's a cup that I had to layer up. I cut the red part, so that's what that is. And then on the feet, I went in with like a white Nuvo, but because I did use the walnut stain of the Distress Oxides, it was picking. Obviously I inked it first, the edges, like a day ago, and then when I went over it with this Nuvo started sucking in the color from the ink. It doesn't look bad, but it kind of looks like I baked it with the white, because that was a bright white at first. And then I just sprinkled some white glitter on top of it. And then I did the same Nuvo on the spoon just to give it a little bit of drip. And then I also went over that while it was wet with a Stardust Stickles. It's like a clear whitish glitter color. It is just so cute. I puffed all this up on puffy tape. And then I went in with a white Jelly Roll pen. It is just so smooth. It never clogs. I did little dots for the cheeks. These are little clay bits from Magical Mixery Store. They're in like a mix. And the little candy cane in the drink is just so cute. And then again, another yard sale thing was the bows. And I love how these turned out. I was going to add these to cards, and then I felt like the card was cute without these. So if I added these to the card would be cuter, but I'm like, I feel like I would have wasted these. So I'm just going to like do these as embellishments. Cute little gingy little 4 of them. And then you guys saw me share these on my last like tutorial, shaker card tutorial. I went into the inside and I used the new KS Craft. It's the A2 shopping bag set. So it has an A2 card like layering piece with a fun stitch. So it's not your traditional stitch. So it's like, it goes every other, like long, short. And then I did the Ranger Letterette, the Christmas sentiments, and I did the 'Tis the Season. Really pretty font, love that. And did it on the inside of 2 of these guys. So I cleaned them up, all the glue marks and stuff. And then the other 2, like I said, I was using the gift bag. So it has cursive words, 2 different fonts, Happy Birthday, and then a smaller Merry Christmas. And it comes with here it is, the banner piece right here. And then I used the scrapbook.com, the layering pieces. That's what the main font is. And look how cute. So this one is the Merry, and then I just did Christmas. So it says Merry Christmas. Here's the banner, the stitched banner. I used the scrapbook.com collection, the Merry one. And that's what the presents and the background paper is cut out with. I did the handles in gold. I did cut the, it has little pieces for the bag, the tissue paper. I cut those in vellum twice. I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was Michelle who layered it twice, and it just looks cuter that way. So I did it twice. One of the shorter ones and the tall skinny one, I just layered them together. And then the present, it does have embossing detail on the actual, as you can see, like right here, it has embossing detail. And I went over that with my white jelly roll just to give it, because it is on a busy patterned paper, you can see it a little bit better with the white, and it's not too crazy. It does come with a tiny little tag, so I cut that out. And then I did, again, the little nail art just on there. I used the gingerbread for this one. And then this one, I did the little Rudolph guy on there. And then the handles, you can get creative with it. You could just show one handle, you can show both, because I did use vellum and you can see through in the back. And then this one, I did one handle up, one handle down. And then this one, I did the full Merry Christmas. So it says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. And again, this one just says Merry Christmas. These are so, like, I'm getting better at making these little handmade cards, you guys. I love the way they turned out. And then these ones, again, I'm just going to leave plain with the scrapbook words on the top. Somebody can, like, embellish them further or just leave it like this, because, shoot, these are cuter than the grocery store or Target or Walmart. And just as they are, you know. So that is that. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.